In Italy, it focuses on governance of IT process. What do you think about, and what is the in USA? Also, USA focuses governance.
Yes. Yeah. Governance has many different interpretations. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes it's regulatory compliance.
So on.
Okay. Sometimes it's service-oriented architectures. But in any case, regardless of the interpretation, the key is control and visibility. So whatever you're trying to do in IT needs to be under control and needs to provide the right level of visibility so that you can make intelligent decisions, right? And every single phase of IT, whether it's in development or in operations or in communication with the business, needs to lead to information that then gives you analytics that then allows you to establish and build the type of platform necessary to make good decisions. So, you know, is this project at risk? Is this project, you know, delivering what we need to deliver to our business? You know, all of those establish good governance. Now, once you've got that governance in that notion of, you know, the context to make good decisions, then you can make trade-offs. You can make interesting decisions about whether or not to reuse components in a service-oriented architecture. You can decide whether or not the architecture is actually suiting the needs of the business. Because people think of service-oriented architectures as, I just create a bunch of reusable components, slap them together in a business process, and I'm done. Okay? And they focus on technologies like BPEL, okay? Business process execution language, and a business process engine, when in reality, if they never actually reuse those particular components across multiple lines of business, all of the value in that service-oriented architecture is wasted. So governance leads to effective value creation in the context of alignment, okay, with those particular decisions. Without that, you have no service-oriented architecture. I don't care how many BPEL processes you created. It's not service-oriented.
What are new features of rational software?
So, as I said before, what we're trying to do is build out an integrated lifecycle platform that flows information between different phases of development, so you can make intelligent decisions that are incremental and over time, in nature over time. So you can make more intelligent decisions about what's coming out of the software development and delivery process and relate that to business outcomes. So there are fundamental pieces that we have put in place across all of our tools. So all of our tools collaborate. So they all support one form or another of social network. They all automate, so that basically in the process of doing build release or requirements management, you automate and flow information to create greater visibility. And they all report out of the automation, so that you gather data that can then help you over time make more intelligent decisions about whether or not you're making the right play in any given part of your given life cycle. You can manage business risk.
Okay, the last question. What is for you the future of IT?
Of IT?
IT.
The future of IT, in the context of what we're trying to do, is really to make sure that information technology in any business process, okay, is involved up front in the automation of that particular business process to produce that better, that more effective, that more optimized business outcome. Okay? which involves not only what we do in Rational, but everything that we do in our software business, aligning and building that ERP model, if you will, so that you can have a much better discussion with the business about the risks and the business risks that are being taken. That kind of a platform, what we call our Jazz platform, is the future of software development and delivery in IT.